Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Laura Wilkie with Down Home with Lemon Pie, and this is a day in the life video. Hey guys, so this is the first day of school. If you're brand new to my channel, I am Laura Wilkie. I'm a Christian stay-at-home homeschool mom. I have 6 kiddos, and this is our day in the life video. This is actually our first day of school for this new school year. We start fairly early. I've talked about that in several of my videos already, and this is where we are right now. We're at the park, and I'm gonna show you guys all the things that we've been doing prior to us getting here and what we're gonna be doing later. So enjoy this video. So this is kind of how our mornings go. The kids just play. The twins are usually up right away, and usually there's at least one, maybe 2 big kids that are helping to entertain them while I am getting some other things done. Yes, our house has writing on the walls. This is where kids live. So it's a house where everyone is playful and loved. So yeah, there's all the things kid. Definitely have to have my coffee in the morning, and that's my new teacher mug for our homeschool. Have to have that for the first day, of course. I do not like regular black coffee. I have to have it with creamer, and a lot of creamer. So this is just the French vanilla, and that is about the color that I really like it to be my favorite. These are grade level pancakes. I made these for the first day of school, whatever grade they are going into. So I've got 5th and 3rd, 2nd, and kinder, and my little guys in preschool just get their letter, like their initial. Not really perfect, as you can see, but that's not the point. It's just about creating those fun traditions, those fun memories for the kids. So they don't remember how well you did, they just remember that you tried and that they enjoyed it, really. Of course, having a big family, you have to have all the pancakes. I try to make them a little healthy by adding blueberries on the side, and but we have a pile of pancakes when we make pancakes, and the kids eat them and snack on them throughout the day. So these are the chore charts. I did tell you I was gonna show you them. That's my little Owen. He's checking his picture chore chart. These are the big girls' chore charts. And it just tells them what they need to do during chore time. There's my little guys. These have been so helpful, so I highly recommend making something like this for your own home. This is little Layla. She's collected the eggs. My girls sell the eggs, so that's kind of their money maker. All right, it's time for morning time. We are all gathering around. That's my brand new basket. I've showed you a couple times. I love it. These are the books that we did on the first day. There's my schedule right on top. We did Heroes, which is my own personal curriculum. We are working through that. Dinosaurs of Eden, the Beginner's Bible. This is what the kids were working on while I was doing all of those and reading to them. They had some worksheet things, coloring pages, things they just were getting done. They're playing. You can see they all get to pick kind of an activity, and then they play with that. Or they can just lounge and listen. This is Philip with his brand new kitten, so he's enjoying having Kitty sleeping right there with him. He loves Kitty. It's Cowboy, his cat's name, actually. But these are my biggest girls. They're working on a USA puzzle together. And my 3-year-old is attempting this puzzle. It is way over her head, but she thinks she can do it. My oldest girls take piano, so they're off to piano lessons this morning. And while they do that, we actually we bring our homeschool lessons on the road. So we're sitting out front their house and the boys are working on some of their homeschool things in the car. And then we are heading to the park for some playtime and to get these guys and my twins are back to let them all just run around and play and have a good time. You saw squirrels?
Yeah, I was gonna watch the squirrels and ran away. They're on a tree.
They were on the tree, yeah. All right, guys, we are back home. We've done lunch, we've done quiet time, and it's the afternoon. This is Margaret, our goat. We have two goats, actually. Mary Ann's the other one. This is Sweetie. This is actually my oldest son's dog. He got her for his birthday, and she is such a good dog. We've never had a healer before, and she is so good. She is always herding up our animals, which is really nice. We're just taking a walk to kind of take a peek around the property, check on our cows. We have 4 cows. I don't know if I had told you guys that, but we are raising cows. This is the back of the property, and that is Belle. We are hoping that she is pregnant so that she will have a baby soon, like in the end of the year. And we have another mama, is Daisy. And Daisy had a baby actually last year, which we are going to be butchering in a few more months. And so yeah, that's Belle. She's so sweet. She is so sweet. But we're staying a little bit far back because she's not so sure what she thinks about Sweetie there. So we're going to stay over here, but she lets you come right up and pet her. It's so cool. And then we have a bull that's kind of a baby still, Maverick, but I don't think I was able to find him. All the chickens everywhere. They always come running when they see us. They always think we have snacks and food for them. So there they are. We have all different kinds. I don't even actually, to be honest, know all the different kinds that we have. I know we have sex links and just all the different ones. We have several roosters. We have Polish, we have Silkies, just all the different ones anyways. But That's fun. The girls are, like I told you, they collect eggs. So there's a stash of eggs for them to come and collect. And that's kind of how they make like side money. But yeah, they just sell those. There's Margaret and Marianne. Aren't they sweet? They really are so sweet. They're still really young, but we're hoping in the future to breed them and then be able to milk them. So that's kind of the goal there. I love how my kids play together. It is so cool. So anyway, we are setting that desk up right now to do some school pictures. A friend of ours wants to borrow this desk. It's a photographer, and so we are taking our pictures earlier than we normally do. Look how cute they turned out, guys. I just look up ideas on Pinterest and then I just organize and set up a little shoot, I guess, for the kids. And anyway, they turned out really well. I was really pleased with them. I was glad everybody was smiling, especially my littlest Eli right there, because he, if you have been following, no, he does not like pictures. This is baby that is coming in, well, technically December 5th, but I never have made it full term, so it'll probably be close to Thanksgiving, and we'll be welcoming little baby girl. Yay! There's her picture on the fridge. And there's some more of Cowboy. He is so stinking cute. And he's so sweet. He just walked up to our property one day and decided that he lived here. And we tried to find his owner and we haven't had any luck. So it looks like he's going to stick around. It's kind of a cool story. But anyway, that's Cowboy, and Chloe's in the back. She's our old dog. Okay guys, tonight I'm making meatloaf. This is such a fast recipe. You just put brown sugar and ketchup in a loaf pan like that. This is about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of ground beef. And these are all the things that go inside the ground beef, okay? I've got about 1 cup of milk. I've got 2 eggs, salt, pepper, breadcrumbs, and onion. I seriously, guys, I don't even measure these. These are just throw it in and kind of to taste or to smell, I guess, because you don't want to taste that. And then I mix it all together with my hands. I throw it in the loaf pan and pop it in a preheated oven at 350 for 1 hour, okay? It does not take very long to prepare. It takes about 10 minutes total to get it in the oven. You just have to remember to do it in advance, I guess. So there's how it looks when it is in the loaf pan. It's all mixed together. It's ready to go into the oven. And seriously, guys, this is something you can do quickly, and then you've got a homemade meal ready to go, guys. It doesn't take any time at all. You don't even have to use those breadcrumbs. You can use crackers just crushed up, and you don't have to use those fancy salt and peppers. That's just what we had on hand. 2 eggs. Yeah, that's right, 2 eggs. That's just what we had on hand. So the breadcrumbs, salt, and pepper, I don't really measure, but the milk is about 1 cup. You may want to do closer to 3/4 if you have less meat, but you just kind of mix it together and pop it in the oven. Look how it looks. And it is so delicious. We actually add more ketchup afterwards because the kids love it. Once it comes out of the oven, they add like a little bit more ketchup. So we do add a little bit more. Okay guys, it's been about 1 hour. Look how beautiful, and I promise this is delicious. I made some au gratin potatoes to go with this. I was kind of lazy. I did not make those from scratch. They were from a box, 2 boxes actually, because we have a big family. And we're doing wedge salad on the side, which literally you take iceberg lettuce, you kind of cut it up like this, like in little wedges, add salt, pepper, and the kids add whatever dressing they prefer. It is so simple, guys. Quick, easy, homemade meal ready to go. Perfect way to, end our homeschool day. We had a great day. Check this out. I have never even seen this. This is such a dad thing. My husband picked this up. It is Dove dark chocolate pudding. So we're going to have this for dessert to kind of celebrate. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.